Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 1-gallon water bottle. You get 3 lids, a carrying pouch, an insulated straw, double-walled protection with a stainless steel water bottle that holds up to 1 gallon. Great for hot or cold drinks. It's 128 ounces, of course. This is the front. You can see all of this labeled here. A little bit about their story. Nice company logo. A little bit about the device. Reusable, non-toxic, BPA-free, food-grade stainless steel, leak-proof, keep hot or cold for hours, lifetime warranty, hand wash only, 128 ounces. Let's open this on up. There's your sticker right on top. Got the blue one. All right, look at that. Wow. So there's one of the extra lids. And here's another little lid. I like this one. This one's very nice. It's like this on screws. Wow, dope. Gonna use this when we go on trips, like to places far away and we need that water. This is what we're gonna bring. Very nice. Wow. There's our straws. That's it for the box. So there's your 2 straws, one here, one here. Even got a straw brush as well, so that's amazing. And here's your 2 extra lids, as well as the lid that of course is already on it right here. This one looks like it. Yeah, look at that. I like it. Just comes right up, and then when you don't need it, push it down. I think I'll keep this one on it. You can see it holds a whole gallon. Love this handle here. Also got this nice hook here, and then this sleeve will actually come off. So you can of course use this to carry it. Got a little pouch here as well, but you can also slide this sleeve off if you wanted to, and then there's your gallon water bottle. Love the logos, love the color, love the feel of it. This thing is perfect for when you're going on a big hike. Look at that, that even unlocks. That's awesome. So you can like hook it on your book bag or hook it here on your book bag, either way. Wow. All right, so that'll do it for this 1-gallon water bottle. Thanks again to this company for sending me this amazing product. Very, very good quality product from what I can see. From the lids to the bottle itself to the bottle holder sleeve. Thanks again to them for sending it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.